Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Today's trade was better, as you can see from the title and from the thumbnail. Okay, it was an amazing trade, but opportunity cost, bro, absolutely fucking massive. Okay, but yeah, let's go together through the trade. And as always, we are going to take a look at the trade, then the improvements, and then I'm gonna invite you to join my Discord server. Okay, as we do every single day. I know that your attention span is low, so let's go straight into it. Okay, let's go. Let's delete the trade. Let's move the stop loss because we're gonna need it. And now let's go. Let's just stay here. Wait, sorry. Let's just stay here on this chart and let's go together through the whole day. Okay, so what do we see here? What do we see? Since we started the day at true day open, we were actually moving only upwards. You can see, okay, we were moving upwards. So therefore, I was kind of anticipating that at New York market open, we will go lower actually. Why? Because based on OHLC theory, bro, since we made a high, we should go lower, made a low, and then close. Okay, that's logical. That's how it is, okay? So I was actually thinking that we would go lower. But then once the market opened, I don't know if I had a lot of luck or skill. I'm not sure, probably more luck than anything, okay? But once the market opened, instead of shorting as I wanted, I went long actually. Why? Because look, we opened, okay, at 9:30, half 10, we opened, and we immediately swept pre-market session low, and we also touched, you can see here on the right, we touched 4-hour fair value gap to the upside. Okay, so we touched 4-hour bullish fair value gap. In Slovenian language, gor means upwards. Okay, it's just how I write it. It's like half Slovenian, half English, my trading view. Okay, but I'm gonna translate the most important things to you for you. Okay, so yeah, we touched bullish fair value gap. Okay, and then what happened? What happened? Look, we broke structure upwards with this massive, huge ass candle. Okay, it's not big black candle, it's big white candle. Okay, even tastier. Okay, so we broke structure, and then you will notice something. Okay, after the break of structure, what did we have? We have bullish order block, and what do we have? We have equilibrium, bro. Exactly, we have equilibrium, and this is where I said that I had probably more luck than skill. Okay, because once this huge ass white candle printed, I noticed that we are going downwards. Okay, so I put my order directly here at the beginning of this bullish fair value gap, stop loss below the fair value, I mean not fair value gap, sorry, order block, bully stop loss below the order cock. Okay, and risk reward ratio 200, like that. Okay, so as always, what happened then? Once the price reached 0.5, more or less here, okay, I took half of my position out and I moved my stop loss to break even. Okay, and then the next full take profit would be at 2 risk reward ratio. But then, bro, what the fuck happened? Okay, the price came down, pushed higher, almost to 0, I mean almost to 2 risk reward ratio. So once that happened, I got a little bit greedy, I admit it. I moved my stop loss here below this 1 hour massive low. Okay, and then what the fuck happened, bro? The price came down, stopped me out, and then obliterated, fucking nuked to the upside. Look, pre-market session high, hit, 3 risk reward ratio. London session high, hit, 4 risk reward ratio. One here it was daily fair value gap, hit, almost 5 risk reward ratio. Where are we now? We are now 6.5 risk reward ratio. Fuck me. Fuck me in my ass, please. Come on, man. Come on. So yeah, Now, as always, we will take a look at improvements, okay? Because this situation cannot be repeated again, okay? Because we want money. We want to become financially free so that we can insert our majestic superior calm into the assets of our bosses, okay? This is what we want. We want to fuck them in the asses. So, what could have we done better? Patience, okay? Patience should be the first thing that we could have done better, because look, on 5-minute chart, what have we done? We have bullish break of structure right now here, okay? We broke structure, therefore, what do we have here? We have bullish fair value gap, bullish order block. What do we have here? Equilibrium, bro, equilibrium. Look what happened. The price went up, broke structure, retraced. Look, went up, retraced back into 0.5, okay? At this point, I should have gone on 1 minute and put my stop loss, my order somewhere here between, okay? Look, like this, between the middle point of the order block and the middle point of equilibrium, okay? So I should have done this. I would get filled, okay? Why? Because at the same time, I told you, here we have another bullish order block, okay? So yeah, it would go like this. I don't know if it touched it or not, probably not, but double confirmation, double power upwards, okay? And additionally, look, what do we have? We have a massive, obvious power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher. This distribution is high time frame manipulation into going lower, okay? This move downwards is distribution, but also manipulation into going higher, okay? So then we have accumulation again, we have manipulation, and then distribution lower, which is high time frame manipulation. Because why? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution into the sky. You see? So this is the power of 3, okay? This is a concept that I still have to teach you. So I'm sorry now if you are pissed at me because I haven't taught you that yet, but it's something that I'm learning, I'm understanding more and more, and I don't want to teach you shit that I don't fully understand, okay? I'm not a teacher, I'm not a school, okay? I'm not your useless fucking university, okay? Because in university you have economic teachers who are broke, and broke people, broke teachers teach you about the money. That doesn't make sense, okay? And I don't want to be like that. I refuse to be teacher who doesn't know shit, okay? So yeah, then stop loss would be here, okay? Let's go back to improvement. Stop loss would be here, 0.5 would get hit, okay? Bam, 0.5 gets hit. Stop loss goes to break even, and then at 2 risk reward ratio, more or less here, pre-market session high, yes, okay, we hit it. I put my stop loss to 0.5 here, okay? Wait, let's delete all of this shit. This, because I cannot see and you cannot see neither, okay? 0.5, where are we now? 3 risk reward ratio, right now here, okay? We move stop loss to 1.5, okay? Where are we now? We reach 4. We move stop loss to 2 risk reward ratio, which was more or less here, okay? And then I would probably get greedy, honestly. I would get greedy, but I would put my stop loss here, above, okay? And then once we would close above this high, right now here, I would put my stop loss, I would leave it here, but I would wait for another closure above another high, and then I would put my stop loss below that one, okay? So that why? So that I always have one low, second low between the price, okay? This is the goal. So yeah, that's about it. Now, as I promised you, I'm gonna also invite you to join my Discord server, okay? I have to insert that trade here inside my trading breakdown. As you can see here, we have also daily analysis, we have self-improvement content, we have everything that we need to become better traders and stronger men, okay? Because my goal, and I assume also your goal, is to get rich with trading, otherwise you wouldn't watch this video. And also, of course, you want to become stronger man with self-improvement, okay? So yeah, bro, that's about it. Join the Discord, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for support. See you tomorrow for another trading video, okay? Do the hard work, bro, and see you on top of the world.